good amount of room. Well, I guess it would be to the handle, most likely, right?
What was in front?
Yeah.
I mean, technically you're gonna work around some of this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So you might have 22 inches or something. It's not too bad.
Have you weight tested this, Dad?
Have I weight tested it?
Yeah.
Sat on it.
Okay.
I went with a thinner piece because I didn't have any more 3/4.
Yeah.
And I didn't think it was a big deal.
Yeah, so
It's pretty solid. Yeah. That's why I added that
That strip.
because it was, when I sat on it, it pushed down onto the door of the sliding door.
Yeah. So let's flush.
seems flush.
And try and do even pressure. And we open back up and retighten to go that last little bit. So let's flush again. Ooh, we probably should have done this tester in a place where we could feel it on the inside.
The key thing is to not go overdo it.
Too far, yeah. You can probably
Probably good, right?
You feel it, right? There's a lot of tension.
There's tension, yeah.
Yeah, I would unscrew it.
So those ones are a little different. We might be able to find a way to use them, but they aren't going to work the same way as the...
I think they may already be that
We can
type.
get this one here instead.
Right.
We could screw right into those, I think, as long as we have the right size. Which is this size.
You know, we could do like a
No, smaller than that.
3.5 inch rip. Would work on that one. 3.5 would work on this one.
You think 3.5 is big enough for the wall panel? Like it will give it enough support? Okay. 1/2" plywood for our fairing strips, and they were cut at different widths depending on sizes, and just give us different options when it comes to putting the wall on.